Hey, how's it going? I just wanted to make a video on the location and removal of the fuel pump driver module on 1999 and 2004 Ford Mustangs. So you're going to open your trunk. You're going to pull off the little retaining clips here. You're going to want to pull back the liner. Your fuel pump driver module will be mounted right here. There will be two bolts holding it in. So you're going to unplug it. You're going to remove these two nuts, and those are actually a 10 millimeter socket for each of those. And you should be able to pull this whole assembly out once you remove those two nuts. This will allow you to more easily access these screws that hold the driver module to the bracket. Now, the screws that look like this that hold it to the bracket are actually 6 millimeter. Now, I recommend pulling this out because it's very hard to access those screws in that tight space. Installation is just the reverse of removal. Hope this can help you.